Good morning. Today I'm going to do a little project on the car, and I was going to video it, but I have a tripod video, that'll go up to like 5 or 6 feet, and that just won't get into the areas that I want to document. So what I did was I ended up picking up a small flexible tripod, and I'm going to unbox this and give you a quick impression on this product. It's called UBeesize. And on the back here, you'll get some information off of it. And what I'll do is I'll provide a link to buy this on Amazon in the description of the video. So in opening it, you just get a little thank you card. And you get a little remote, actually you get a little remote control with it. So if you want to start and stop the video, you can. And what do we got here? A little package. Inside the package is some kind of a mount. I'm not sure exactly for what. Maybe like a helmet or something. And it has a screw in for probably the iPhone camera. And that's what I use to record my videos, an iPhone camera. And this is actually the same thing I have that I'm currently taping from. There's a little expandable device, as you can see here, and it expands, and you put your iPhone in here, and you can use it as your video camera. And it has a connection from the back, and it has a connection in the bottom, depending on how you want to mount it. So you can always swivel your phone around if you want. And last but not least in the box is a little flexible tripod. Open this up. This is just what I was looking for too. Got a little flexible tripod. Very simple and easy. You'll get into your low spots. You can adjust your mount any way you want. You can tighten it up with this little thing on the side. Now for me, I typically videotape in portrait mode. So instead of going like this, instead of going like this on the mount, for me, I'm going to go from the bottom. And that's going to accommodate my camera style. So just going to turn that, fasten it any way I want. And there I go. I've got a little situation here where I can put my camera in, on my phone. I can set this up any way I want. These legs are flexible. So it was not expensive at all. I don't remember the price of it. It might have been $14 or $16, somewhere in there. But again, it's going to let me get into the places that I want to get into. Like I'm going to do an oil change today, and I want to be able to videotape the oil change. And you can tell that this rotates around, does whatever you want it to do. Okay? So as you're taping, you can kind of adjust it further. So, if you want to get in on the action, up and down, that'll work for you. So far, I kind of like the product. I definitely think it's well worth the money. So thanks for stopping by and watching the video. If you want to buy one, like and subscribe, and find the link in the description. Thanks, and you guys have a great day.